Datives. Datives are those whose nominatives perform an action for. Whose nominatives perform an action for means for third person. For third person, the nominative perform an action. First, we need to know the distinct and undistinct articles for datives. Distinct articles. And undistinct articles. For masculine, they are changed to them. For feminine, they change to their. And for neutral, they change to does change to them. And for plural, then plus n. And in undistinct articles, for masculine, ein changes to einem. For females, ein changes to einer. And for neutral, ein and for neutral, ein changes to einem. There is no plural in undistinct articles.